Happy anniversary to the world's cutest wife. 20 years ago, I chose you to be my life partner. Since then, we've lived a lifetime full of memories together. You are my world, you are the love of my life, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you more, Biz.
Eric, do the damn dishes.
We're just delighted that you two met each other and that you're going to enjoy your life together. We just want to say, I also want to say so much thank you. You've done a wonderful job.
I am very excited and happy that my son found such a wonderful, wonderful lady to spend his life with. Colleen, I'm just so proud to call you my daughter-in-law as of tomorrow. I remember 2 summers ago when I saw a video of Eric and Colleen jumping out of an airplane skydiving. And I think it was at that moment that I thought, these two belong together. I think they really are adventurers that want to see and explore as much of the world as they can together.
Wish you the best, guys. Love you both. And welcome Eric to the field.
That was a great night. We also want to thank you all for being here on our big day tomorrow.
You said bless you to me, then we talked the whole night. The rest is history. From saying I do at St. Gabe's, oh, to having 2 kids who mean everything. From Egypt to Africa to Paris.
Round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Eric Hyman.
Colleen, it's hard to believe that you are now married to this wonderful man and ready to embark on a lifelong journey with one another. I know I'm not losing a sister, but I know the Flanagan family is gaining a great brother and son in Eric. Eric, you're a lucky man to have found Colleen, and we all thank you.
Colleen, if Eric is half as good a husband as he is a friend, then you will leave here tonight with a man that epitomizes the virtues of loyalty, honor, dedication, and respect, both for himself and for those that he loves. For Eric is by far the happiest I have ever seen him in my life. Best of luck. May your marriage be filled with blessings, good fortune, success, and most importantly, happiness.
You're amazing, I hope you know. From Egypt to Africa to Paris, no matter where we go, home for me is wherever you are. And just so you know, I love you more, no matter where this life goes. I love you more, no matter where this life goes. From Egypt to Africa to Paris, no matter where we go, home for me is wherever you are. And just so you know, I love you more, no matter where this life goes. I love you more, no matter where this life goes. You might not give yourself enough credit, but you're the best loving woman. From Egypt to Africa to Paris, no matter where we go, home for me is wherever you are. And just so you know, I love you more, no matter where this life goes. I love you more, no matter where this life goes.
Side of the bridge, once again, around a castle.
This was a video camera too?
Yes.
Oh,
Gotta dream about it. Gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel the love. Gotta think about it. Gotta dream about it. Gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel the love. Gotta think about it. Gotta dream about it. Gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel the love. Gotta think about it. Gotta dream about it. Gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel the love. My love, we are here. Nothing left to fear. Take my hand and see all that we could be. The best of me has always been you. I just wanna hear you say the words I do. We'll write the story, you see it, the movies. We'll have a strong love, the whole world dreams of. We'll never give up, you'll be enough for me. I give you my heart, my love, you see. You're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need. With this ring I break every piece of me. Love I'll never leave. We were meant to be. The best of me has always been you. I just wanna hear you say the words I do. We'll write the story, you see it, the movies. We'll have a strong love, the whole world dreams of. We'll never give up, you'll be enough for me. I give you my heart, my love, you see. You're all I'll ever need. We'll write the story, you see it, the movies. We'll have a strong love, the whole world.
So it begins.
What begins?
Our trip to Africa.
Let's go back to 2000 when I met you in a bar in Chicago, and I was walking past.
Welcome to Rome.
I sneezed and you said bless you to me. Then we talked the whole night. The rest is history.
It's like grape juice.
Saying I do at St. Gabe's. Oh, to having 2 kids will mean everything.
Welcome to Petra.
From Egypt to Africa to Paris, no matter where we go, home for me is wherever you are. And just so you know, I love you more, no matter where this life goes. I love you more, no matter where this life goes. You are my queen, Beaks, and I want you to know how much you mean in my life. You're beautiful inside and out too, and I can't wait to have many more adventures with you. You have a kind-hearted soul.
Right Right now we're on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe.
I hope you know. From Egypt to Africa to Paris, no matter where we go, home for me is wherever you are.
Buggy! From the top of the Burj Khalifa.
No matter where this life goes, I love you more. No matter where this life goes. From Egypt to Africa to Paris, no matter where we go, home for me is wherever you are. And just so you know, I love you more. No matter where this life goes, I love you more. No matter where this life goes. You might not give yourself enough credit, but you're the best loving woman. From Egypt to Africa to Paris, no matter where we go, home for me is wherever you are. And just so you know, I love you more. No matter where this
Kaka
life
Falls
goes.
out behind us.
I love you more. No matter where this life goes.
Into the Waipo Valley. Look at that. Cheers.
Love you, busy.
Love you too, Biz. Not gonna
This will be
bend
our
up.
anniversary.
Yeah.
Enough for me. I give you my heart, my love, you see.
Ready when you are.
You're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need. With this ring I break every piece of me. Love I'll never leave.
Goodbye, Zebra Camp. One of the coolest places we've ever stayed at.
The best of me has always been you. I just wanna hear you say the words I do.
Matata.
We'll write the story you see in the movies.
We need to see that sign for 25 years.
Words I do. We'll write the story you see in the movies. We'll have a strong love the whole world dreams of. We'll never give up, you'll be enough for me. I give you my heart, my love, you see. You're all I'll ever need.
It's absolutely incredible. 4-day hike, definitely worth it.
Done. Hard day. 12 hours?
More. 12 and a half. It's good. It's emotional. Yeah, it was hard. You did it.
Harder than marathons or triathlons.
Much harder. It was so amazing though, wasn't it?
It was beautiful.
And now we got this to enjoy. Look at that view.